The given question is 13 factorial is equal to 62a70208000. So 13 factorial, the value is this one, but we are missing the a. So that means our goal is to find the a value here. To find a, I am going to show two methods. The first one is the rule of the divisibility by 11. What is the rule of the divisibility by 11? A number is divided by 11 if the difference between the sums of the alternating digits is divisible by 11, isn't it? So that means if you consider this 13 factorial is divisible by 11, if you consider this 13 factorial is divisible by 11, that means the whole number, which is 62a70208000, is divisible by 11. So now you have to apply the divisibility rule for this whole number. What is the divisibility rule? The difference between the sum of the alternating digits is divisible by 11. So that means you have to take the sum of the alternating digits. So that is, first take the first digit, 6 plus alternating digit, which is a, then 0, then 0, then 0. So all 0, 0, no need to write zeros, which is nothing but 6 plus a minus the remaining digits. What we have? 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 0. So no need to write 0. So the difference between the sum of the alternating digits also is divisible by 11. Add these numbers. What we have? 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 2, 9. So 10 plus 9, which gives 19. So this value is 19. Here a plus 6 minus 19, which gives a minus 13. That means a minus 13 is a divisible by 11. We don't know the a. We need to find a value here. And what we know that a value should be any one, but it is in between 0 to 9. That we know that. That means what we can say that a is an integer in between 0 to 9. And we don't know that. We need to find out. So how can we represent this? A is in between 0 to 9. We can represent this as 0 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 9. Isn't it? But here we have a minus 13. So let's do minus 13 here. So here 0 minus 13, which gives only minus 13. So less than or equal to a minus 13. So less than or equal to 9 minus 13. The value is minus 4. This a minus 13 lies in between minus 13 and minus 4. So minus 13, minus 12, minus 11. So in between these numbers. And we don't know the exact number. And what we say? We say a minus 13 is divisible by 11. That means these values should be divisible by 11. Or you can take it is a multiple of 11. 13 is divisible by 11? No. 12 is divisible by 11? No. Minus 11 is divisible by 11? Yes, this is correct. And 10 is no. These all numbers is not divisible by 11. Only this 11 is divisible by 11. So you have to take that number. So that means a minus 3 is divisible by 11 is nothing but you have to take a minus 13 as minus 11. A minus 13 as you have to take minus 11. So if you do plus 13 on both sides, then we are going to get a value, isn't it? So the a value is 2. So like that, using rule of the divisibility by 11, we can find the a value very easily. This is the first method. Let's go on for the second method, which is a rule of the divisibility by 9. So what they given? Let's try the question. Then we can follow the divisibility rule by 9. 62a70208000. We need to find a value here. And now we are going to check the divisibility by 9. What is the rule of the divisibility by 9? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then we can say that the number is divisible by 9. So that means you have to do sum of the digits. So that means you have to do add all the digits. So if you consider this 13 factorial is divisible by 9, then this whole number 62a70208000 is divisible by 9. What is the divisible by 9 rule? You need to add all the digits. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. 25 and we have a. So that means 25 plus a. You can write this as a plus 25 is divisible by 9. And what we know? We know a is an integer and it is in between 0 to 9. We know that. So how can you represent? you can represent this as 0 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 9. Here we have a plus 25. That's why all sides you have to add plus 25. Then this becomes 0 plus 25, which is only 25. So less than or equal to a plus 25. So then less than or equal to 9 plus 25. 9 plus 25 is nothing but 34. So that means a plus 25 is in between 25 and 34. So what those numbers? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Is these numbers is divisible by 9 or not? Let's check. That's simple. 25 is not divisible by 9. 26 is not divisible by 9. Only 27. 9 3s are 27. So only 27 is divisible by 9. And remaining 28 is not. 31 also not. 32 not. 33, 34 also not. Then 9 4s are 36. So even these all numbers is not divisible by 9. Only 27 is divisible by 9. So let's take that 27 here. So here you have to take 27. So then find out a equal to 27 minus 25, which gives only 2. So like that, you can, using these divisibility rules, you can find the any digit of this number. You can find any digit. If you like this, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.